In this video, I'm going to show you where to place your jack on our Kia Sportage. Knowing the correct jacking points is crucial for your safety and to prevent damage to your vehicle. Let's get started. Before we begin, always ensure your vehicle is on a flat, stable surface. Engage the parking brake to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Open the lift gate and then lift the floor panel to access the storage compartment underneath. Remove the jack and any necessary tools from the storage compartment. Now we are ready to locate the jacking points. For the front jacking points, you will find them just behind the front wheels. Look for reinforced metal sections marked with notches on the pinch weld. This is where you will place your jack. Make sure the jack pad is centered under this point and start lifting the vehicle slowly. Now let's move to the rear of the vehicle. The jacking points are located just in front of the rear wheels. Again, look for the reinforced metal sections marked with notches on the pinch weld. Place the jack under this point and lift the vehicle slowly. And there you have it. Now you know where to place your jack on our Kia Sportage and how to safely lift your vehicle. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to Wheels Joint for more automotive tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.